With an offset command, you can create a replica of original drawing object at a certain distance from it, keeping the geometrical consistency. Now, in order to understand it, let's select this offset command from Modify panel. So here we have this offset tool. Now, look at this command line which prompts you to specify distance of offset. So let's select 2 as the distance of offset and press enter. Now, select the object which you want to offset, which is in this case this rectangle. So when I click on this rectangle, you'll see that it will create another rectangle either inside or outside this original rectangle. And if I click outside, then the rectangle will be created outside, and if I click inside, it will be created inside. So let's click inside. Now, in order to exit this command, press enter again. If you want to use offset command, again select it. Now in this case, I'll enter another distance of 10 units and press enter. Now let's click on this arc and click inside. Now I'll click again and click inside, and you can clearly see that this maintains the geometrical consistency and thereby decreasing the radius of arc with each offset. You can also make a dynamic offset with this offset command. So select offset, and instead of entering any distance, select through from this subcommand option. Now click on this line or any other object from this geometry, and now you'll see that the offset follows your cursor, and here we have an offset which is completely parallel to the original line, and when you click here, a new offset will be created. Similarly, you can create an offset for this rectangle as well. When you click on this rectangle and move outside, a new offset will be created outside, and when you click inside, a new offset will obviously be created inside. Mirror command will create a mirror image of object about a mirroring axis, as the name suggests. For that, select mirror from Modify panel. So here we have this mirror command. Select it. Now select the objects as you can see here on command line. So select the objects from which you want to create the mirror and select enter. Now you need to specify first point of mirror line. So here this red line will act as our mirroring line. Let's click on this endpoint, and let's click on any other endpoint of this line, or you can click on the middle point, or you can click on any other point as well, but I'll click on this endpoint to make it more clear to you. So now we have selected 2 endpoints for this mirroring line. Now we have 2 options, either to erase the source object or to retain the source object. So by default, no is selected. So if you select no and press enter, then this object will also be retained and the copy will be created. So press enter, and now we have a mirrored object. Let's undo this and repeat this command again. So here we have this mirror. Let's select both the objects and press enter. Again, we need to select the mirroring line. So this will be the first point of mirroring line and the second point. And in this case, I'll select yes, I want to remove this object and I want to keep only the mirrored object. So select on yes, and the original object will be removed and only a symmetrical or a mirrored image will be created.